Welcome back to Infigyan friends. Today in this video we are going to simplify one radical expression square root 13 over 4 minus square root 1 over 4 whole power 7. So let's consider the given expression as E. Now I will write one radical formula square root A over B. It can be written as square root A over square root B. Let's apply to our expression. So I can write expression E equal to square root 13 over square root 4 minus square root 1 over square root 4 whole power is 7. Now we know that square root 1 is 1 and square root 4 is 2. Let's apply. So I can write square root 13 over 2 minus 1 over 2 whole power is 7. Now denominator is same, so I will take denominator common, so it will become root 13 minus 1 over 2 whole power 7. This is equal to expression E. Now I will use substitution. Let us call this bracket. Let root 13 minus 1 over 2 equal to x. So we are going to find out what is x power 7. Let me call x here root 13 minus 1 over 2. So I can cross multiply 2x equal to square root 13 minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. So I will be writing 2x plus 1 equal to square root 13. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So square and square. Here we can cancel square root and square. Now I will write one identity a plus b whole square. We can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2x whole square, 4x square plus 2ab, so plus 4x plus b square, so 1 equal to 13. Take away 1 from both sides, 4x square plus 4x equal to 12. Equation is divisible by 4. Let's divide. X square plus x equal to 3. Now I can write our equation as x square equal to 3 minus x. Now this is x square is equal to 3 minus x, and we have to find out x power 7. Again I will take squaring of this equation. So I will be writing x square whole square equal to 3 minus x whole square. So I can write here x power 4 equal to 3 minus x whole square. Using exponent property a power b whole power c, we can multiply the powers b times c. Now let us expand RHS. X power 4 will be equal to a minus b whole square. So we can write a square plus b square minus 2 times 3 times x. So x power 4 will be 9 plus x square minus 6x. Now we have calculated x square. This was 3 minus x. Let us put this value here. So equation will become x power 4 equal to 9 plus 3 minus x minus 6x. So I can write x power 4 equal to 9 plus 3 minus x minus 6x minus 7x. So x power 4 equal to 12 minus 7x. Now what we are looking for? X power 7. This value we are going to evaluate. We have reached up to the power 4. Let's consider squaring once again. So I will use this exponential property once again. In LHS, I will be writing x power 4 times 2, 8 equal to a minus b whole square. So I will write a square, 12 square is 144, plus b square, so 49x square, minus 2ab, so I will write minus 168x. Now I will put once again x square is equal to 3 minus x here, because of x square is equal to 3 minus x. So let's put x power 8 equal to 144 plus 49 times 3 minus x minus 168x. So let's expand, simplify RHS. X power 8 will be 144 plus 49 times 3, 147 minus 49x and minus 168x. So let us simplify RHS. 144 plus 147, 291 minus 49 and 168, 217x. Now we have reached x power 8, but what is required? X power 7. So I will divide this equation both sides with x. Now I can write LHS as 8 minus 1 as property of exponent x power a over x power b. It is equal to x power a minus b. Right hand side I will be writing 291 times 1 over x minus 217 only. Now left hand side is x power 7. Right hand side is 291 times 1 over x minus 217. Now x was our substitution. X was root 13 minus 1 divided by 2. So 1 over x will be 2 divided by root 13 minus 1. I will write x power 7 equal to 291 times 2 divided by root 13 minus 1 minus 217. Now you can see denominator we have got root 13 minus 1. I will rationalize numerator and denominator. But before that, we can take the product of 291 times 2. So it will become 582 divided by root 13 minus 1 minus 217. I will write here x power 7 582 divided by root 13 minus 1 minus 217. Now I will multiply numerator and denominator with its conjugate, denominator's conjugate. So I will be writing root 13 plus 1 and same bracket I will write in the denominator to rationalize this denominator. Now I will consider the identity a plus b times a minus b. It can be written as a square minus b square. So here I can apply the difference of two squares identity. So it will become 582 times root 13 plus 1. In denominator it is root 13 square minus 1 whole square minus 217. Now root 13 square is 13. So I will write 582 root 13 plus 1 divided by 12. 13 minus 1. 217 x power 7, which is equal to expression E. Now I can see 582 and 12, both numbers are even numbers. So 6 twos are and 697. Now I will write our final answer. Expression equal to 97 root 3 root 13 it is plus 1 divided by 2 minus 217. Now in next step we can write 97 root 13 plus 1 minus 434 divided by 2, and once we will simplify this, we'll have our answer expression E equal to 97 root 13 minus 337 over 2. This is our final and ultimate answer. I hope friends this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.